Hi guys, and welcome back to another vlog on our channel. Today's vlog is a good one. I have got two new Loungefly mini backpacks, both amazing, and I can't wait to show you them. So let's go and have a look. So the first one I have is this little beauty. So this is just a nice little fun seasonal backpack, and of course it's got a bit of mini on it. So I thought this would be a cloth, but it isn't. It's actually like faux leather. It's really nice, and you've got little pumpkins on there, you've got your ghost, you've got your candy corn, you've got sweets, you've got skeletons, and you've got one front zip pocket. You have two side pockets, and there's your other one, and then you have your main pocket, but the inside material is just beautiful. So that's inside. It's got your little Mickey pumpkins, and then you've also got another pocket there. This is absolutely gorgeous. And then you've got your little mini ears there, and then on the back of the ears is more of the beautiful Halloween material. And then your straps, they match the ears with this like little checked pattern. That is gorgeous. Then you've got your Loungefly zipper tags, your little Loungefly plaque. And this was $75, but I did get this online. You can buy it in Disney World, but I'm from the UK, so can't get this in the UK, so it had to be done via post. But yeah, absolutely beautiful. I love it. This will definitely be getting used for Halloween. Love it, love it, love it, love it. So this is what I got. It's
the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man.
Yeah, Funko. That isn't the, that must be the shop I got it from. There is a leaflet somewhere. Where is it? It's come very well wrapped. He had all this on him. Oh, here we go. There you go. FunkoEurope.com. That's where I got it from. And I love the box. The box is ace. That will be getting reused. So this is what I got. The Marshmallow Stay Puft Man from Ghostbusters. One of my favourites in the film. And with this one you've got your front zipper pocket. No side pockets though. But it does have this gorgeous Loungefly Ghostbuster plaque. Beautiful! And it's really soft, like leather. Okay, so I've just googled the description, and it actually says that the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man mini backpack is made of vegan leather, polyurethane. So that's really good for if you're vegan. And you're wondering if you can like use this bag. So yeah, you can. Stay Puft. So cute. Let's see what they are. What's that? Yeah, so we got this in the sale. It should have been $75, but of course I didn't pay that. I'll just undo one of these straps and then we'll see what it looks like. So these straps are absolutely gorgeous. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but it actually has it's got like a metallic finish to it, you know, like a metallic blue, and they feel so soft. I just love the red and blue together on this. Absolutely gorgeous. The picture really doesn't do him justice, really doesn't. He's ace. I love him. So let's see the fabric inside. Oh, see, Stay Puft. I'll take this out and then I'll be back. There you go, stay puffed. Then you've got your little zip pocket inside as well. Little Ghostbuster tag. So cute, this is so well made, so well designed. Oh, love it. His little eyebrows are stitched, little tongue stitched, Stay Puff stitched, and all that is stitching. It's going to be hard to keep him white, but I'll give it my best shot. Yeah, love him. So these are my new 2 bags to add to my little growing collection, which never started out as a collection. So last year I did miss out on the Disney Halloween bag, and the year before that, and probably the year before that. So I'm really happy that I managed to get this one this year. I absolutely love it. That will be coming out with me on Halloween. You will definitely be coming out with me also. So yeah, love him. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. Hope it helps you in any way, shape or form. But even if he was full price, now looking at him, I would actually pay that. He is awesome. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to us if you haven't already, as it's free. And take care of each other out there. We will see you later. Bye.